annoyed with my studio, and I feel like now is a really good time to organize. My studio colleagues are gone, and before I go on to my holiday, I just thought this is the perfect time. It's a bit calm. I'm mentally exhausted, so why not just do physical, cathartic work in the studio? And I went to Muji yesterday because it's only a really short bike ride away, and I think just to get things started, and I think I might buy more stuff today. So I kind of want to figure out bit by bit what needs to go in boxes, because I feel like there is so much stuff that is just laying around, and it makes me a bit nervous. I don't like it. So I haven't bought a million things. Actually, I bought almost nothing, but it just felt good to get started somewhere. Interesting thing I got is these red cedar wood sticks, because it prevents my fabrics to get eaten by moths, and this happens a lot. Like, even if they're in a cardboard box, I don't know how, but there is always some moth always finds their way in, and I didn't even know how they get in there. If I don't know, is it generated by bacteria? I don't know. It's a mystery to me. And even though I put lavender inside the boxes, apparently it doesn't do anything. It doesn't help. So I'm trying the red cedar wood, and maybe I'm even gonna get more, because 20 pieces, I don't know how many pieces I have to put inside like the box. So red cedar wood. I bought this, because I just got so annoyed with documents. I'm like, it needs to all go in one place. It's making me nervous. I bought a new candle because I thought maybe this can help me create a good ambiance. Hinoki, like the hinoki wood, which is, very Japanese, very Muji. And I bought these, this is not office related at all, bought these little pump bottles because I'm traveling for my hair conditioner. This is what I bought. It's Thursday today. I'm going on holiday next Tuesday. So there is not a lot of time, but I feel like this is how I want to spend it. So just watch me organize now, I guess. Totally forgot that I also bought this Muji notepad in A4. Is this A4? No, this is B5. Okay, it's like smaller than A4, but it's quite handy because I don't like the little notes, and I bought this like plastic bag. But this is also more for like traveling stuff, so. got more goods. Let's organize. What to do? I thought with 3 baskets I had enough, but I mean I should have taken 4 to be honest. 3 was not enough. 3 was just the bare minimum. Ay, 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 ay. Good.